Kolter Homes. Homes that are built around you. The Sydney floor plan offers a variety of options for your unique personalization. Here are just a few examples. Let's take a look at the front of the house. If you need more space than the 3-car garage, you can easily expand it to a 4-car garage. And our flex room is truly flexible, offering several configurations. Here are just 2 examples where you can convert it to bedroom 4, which comes with its own bath. Or the snore room, which can be accessed from the owner's suite through the walk-in closet. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.